Welcome everyone, here is how you add a dynamic wallpaper in iOS 16. The first step is you want to go to the lock screen here. You're going to long press on the empty space and then you're going to slide to the left, keep on sliding until you have the add new option. Tap on the plus here and then what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down and just keep on scrolling down until you see collections. You're then going to slide to the left, and they've hidden it at the very back here. I didn't even know this was a dynamic wallpaper at first because it doesn't look like it. But when we tap into it, there it is. There are the dynamic wallpapers. What's really cool with iOS 16 is you can even customize these dynamic wallpapers. So you see this triple lines here, tap on this one, tap on the appearance, and you can go from dark mode to light mode. And you can also go vice versa as well. If you slide to the left, you can switch between all of these dynamic wallpapers here. So I went from thinking dynamic wallpapers doesn't exist to finding out not only do they exist, but they have more customization than iOS 15 and older. So do let me know in the comment section if you didn't know this existed like me. With that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.